In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-step zaps in Zapier. If you're looking to streamline your processes and automate multitasking, this is the perfect solution for you. Zapier allows you to connect different apps and automate workflows with ease. So, whether you're a beginner or someone looking to maximize productivity, I'll guide you through each step of this process. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, we're going to head to the Zapier dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a circle with a plus sign. It's hard to miss really, and that's where the magic begins. Give that a click. Here, you're propelled into the world of creating new zaps. Think of these as your automated workflows. Once you're in the creation space, find the option labeled Zaps and click on it. This is where you'll start building your workflow. The initial step in creating your zap is choosing your trigger. Triggers are essentially the events that set your workflow into motion. So let's click on Select Trigger. Here, you'll decide what app and what specific event in that app you want to start things off with. For example, this could be a new email or a form submission. Make sure this event aligns with what you want to automate, as it will dictate the beginning of your work chain. Great. Now it's time to move on to the next part. After your trigger is set, you'll need to add an event. This is what happens after your trigger is fired. So select Add Event. This could be something like sending a notification, posting data, or any outcome that follows logically from your trigger. This part is crucial as it defines the action your zap will take. Once you've nailed down your first action, it's time to add more complexity if needed by introducing additional steps. Each step allows you to layer your workflow, so click on the plus sign again to add the next step. Each new layer offers an opportunity to refine or expand your automation, making your zap even more powerful and efficient. As you build, keep an eye out for on-screen prompts. These helpful hints are designed to guide you through specific parts of the configuration, ensuring that you make the most of all the features Zapier has to offer. Pay attention to these as they often contain valuable information regarding best practices and optimization tips. So, there you have it, a short yet comprehensive guide to create multi-step zaps in Zapier. With these skills, you can take your automation to a whole new level, linking multiple tasks seamlessly for enhanced productivity. I encourage you to experiment with different triggers and actions to fully tailor your workflows to your specific needs. Thank you for watching and happy zapping.